how messed up it is. It's so like.
Oh no.
Just make a few shots. Okay, I'm gonna go again. Can they see the coffee cup?
Yes.
Got it. That was a shit window. Nice, so I'm in. Please, put him up. Safety's on. Put him up. Freeze! Freeze! Freeze, son. Out. But thankfully, we don't have to stop the video. I got another clip, son. Look at that. This one's brown.
Brown clip.
Let's do this. Also called a magazine. A lot of people get pissed off. People call it clips for magazines. You know, I call it magazines. Just call it clips. You know. Oh. Catherine, should I start shooting from the bottom?
Yeah, because it's smaller.
I'm too good.
You're too good.
Too good for them. I'm getting too old for this. I hit that. The hole in it. It's hard. Sideways. Rock it or beat rock, homeboy.
Or be dropped.
Hit that. You talking to me? You talking to me? I'm the only one here, so you must be talking to me. Right? Let's do this. Let's be cops.
Yeah. That's right there. Take a look at it. Say hi.
Let's be cops. Let's be cops.
Yeah.
Nah.
Does this record audio?
GoPro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
It's not gonna knock over because it's in like a position, but I keep hitting.
That's good because it's like a good target. We just obliterate it.
I'm out.
He's out.
Okay. Oh yeah! Stay right there. Nobody move. But while you're waiting, while you're waiting, Catherine is going to show you the fundamentals of this gun. By fundamentals, I just mean what it comes with. It comes with two magazines, other magazines broken, a slide, and just present it. Right. Okay, I'm back, please. Ah! Okay. Sprinkler! Catherine, you still don't know if there's another bullet in the chamber. Let's find out. Okay. Also, this isn't semi-automatic, but it's sadly not. See, here, have this mag.
The mag.
Yeah, mag on a Tuesday. Okay, we'll talk about the club going up on a Wednesday, club going down on a Tuesday. Wait, this is the whoa, that hit me.
It hit you?
Yeah. Back of the head, I saw it. Back up, back it up.
I'm gonna back it on up. Can I fit in here? No, ma'am.
I know it's this thing.
No, ma'am.
Let's put it down. Let's put it down and see cutie. Look.
What's in there?
Now
Show the GoPro.
Now I got a miniature. You can like slide it on and off. This is good if you just want to go like small.
Sweet.
Hey guys, tell me in the comments below. You want more vids
Go tell the GoPro. They can't
like
hear you.
this? Go tell me in the comments below. Do you want more vids like this? I will make them. So I like doing this kind of stuff.
Are the green ones more like hard to the red ones?
They're all biodegradable.
Oh, that's cool. So yeah, 'cause there's no picking up those.
Nobody like,
No.
it's not like they're...
Yeah. Could you like technically reshoot those though?
I don't want it to.
Yeah.
But some have so much mag that they'll actually split. There, okay. I want to show you guys one more thing. So the mag that the M4 came with is huge. And the one with the little glock came with, or whatever, I don't care what it's called. Came with this, but here's the M4, this thing's giant. This thing has so much extra BB storage.
Listen to him. Shake it up.
Look at that. Look at that, that's insane. This is like, this is so puny, like, die! This, awesome. I have done something with this. I have unscrewed it, and I have made more space for the BBs to go in, and it's pretty meaty. I don't know if you guys have heard of that term, but meaty, start using meaty, guys. It's gonna spread all across the country, and we need that. Meaty is what we need. What are you doing?
I'm showing them. What'd you do?
Everybody, start saying meaty to your friends. Meaty doesn't have a meaning. If they're like, whoa, look at that car. Be like, that car is meaty. We need that. And don't forget, guys, go to Roman Outwood Vlogs, subscribe, and tell them in the comments below who told you to subscribe. And I will give you all shout-outs. Okay? Later, guys.
Chill on.
Bye. Chill on.
Stop.